Hello, today we will be looking at the two dashboards that our team made. Our team has made two dashboards to realize and understand the performance of an IT support project. Now, an IT support project is generally very complex with multiple technologies and multiple tools that all have to be monitored against how many issues are getting created each year against that tool or against that technology, and how they are performed over time. To better understand this, we've made two dashboards, one which we will be providing for the client and business lead, and another which we will be giving to the IT technical team. Now we could see that we have given trend charts for the client to understand how the project has performed over the last 4 years from the time it has gone live. There's also percentage difference charts which can help them realize how we've performed over the last 3 or 4 years with reference to the previous year. So we can see that the project is actually very stable currently in second quarter of 2015. That is because we see that there has been a decline of minus 80.2%. So the project actually has been the healthiest at this point in time. The project was not so healthy around this time in 2012, um, where you see the high peak. uh, Additionally, we've given global filters for the process groups. We can see the performance of just the SAP group by unchecking the non-SAP applications. That way we see how the SAP applications have performed as opposed to the non-SAP ones. Likewise, we could also check how the performance of the non-SAP applications has been. Now, these are the top 10 groups by priority. Um, we see a heat map here which gives a good snapshot of which have been the most noisy, or the groups which have added to most instability in the system. Additionally, we have provided business with this important last slide to the bottom right of the screen, where we see that mostly system instability has been due to infrastructure issues and networking issues, and the least has been due to user training or third party. Like similar to this, we've given a second dashboard. Now this dashboard is for the project manager and his team to understand where the project is. I've given marks labels for this red line, which is greater than 90 days. We see that the team has performed exceptionally well. They resolve most issues in the range of 0 to 10 days. The blue line here is actually 0 to 10 days, and they have been weakest uh, in the red line. And the objective of the team should be based on this, to make sure that the red line becomes comes below the reference band, which is the average of 77 days. Similarly, we've given three other charts here for identifying the outstanding issues which are currently there in the project. We see that there are about 40 outstanding issues, most of which have come from the networking issues, some of which have come due to problems that are frequently occurring issues. We also have given outstanding issues or open issues by age. We see two which are greater than 120 days in SAP Finance. Similarly, we see in SAP SD there's 198 days. So we've also given these other metrics for the project manager to prioritize how he can go about with emphasizing to the team to bring down the count of the older issues, to resolve the older issues quicker, and also the higher priority older issues quicker. So with this I conclude the presentation on the dashboards. If you could use the global filters, and if you could use the drill downs, you would be able to definitely understand what is going on with this dashboard. Thank you.